xy are two different digits. If the sum of the two-digit numbers formed by using x and y is a perfect square, find x plus y. Now, the two different two-digit numbers which are formed by using xy are xy and yx. Now, the value of xy, we can write it down as 10x plus y, and the value of yx, we can write it down as 10y plus x. Now, it is mentioned here that sum of these two numbers is a perfect square. Okay. So first of all, let's add these. So 10x plus y plus 10y plus x, you have 11x plus 11y. So we can take 11 common, and in the bracket we can have x plus y. Now 11 multiplied by x plus y, it is given to us is a perfect square. And it is also mentioned here that xy are two different digits. So therefore, if 11 multiplied by x plus y has to be a perfect square, then x plus y obviously must be equal to 11 itself, because we call it a perfect square only when a number is multiplied with itself. So therefore, x plus y is equal to 11.